Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. In this video, we will continue learning chapter 2 titled Equations, and we will be focusing on subtopic 2.1, which is linear equations. By the end of this video, you should be able to solve linear equations in 3 variables. If you can still remember, from previous lesson, we have learned how to solve linear equation in 1 variable and also linear equations in 2 variables. If we need to solve for 1 variable, then we need to have 1 linear equation. And if we need to solve for 2 variables or unknowns, then we need to have 2 linear equations. And now, we are going to learn how to solve linear equations with 3 variables. Of course, here we need to have 3 different linear equations. So before we solve, let us learn the steps first. First of all, we need to label the equations given as number 1, number 2, and number 3. Then, from equation 1 and equation 2, we will use elimination method to form equation number 4. And then, from equation 2 and equation 3, we will again use elimination method to form another new equation, number 5. And lastly, from equation number 4 and equation number 5, again by elimination method, we should be able to get the value of the first unknown. After that, we move backwards to find the values of the remaining 2 variables that we have. Now, let us use this table to solve our example. First, we write down all the equations that we have in this table. So here is the space for equation number 1 and equation number 2. And below it is the space for equation number 2 and equation number 3. Now, let us focus on equation 1 and equation 2 first. You can choose any variable to be removed. In this case, let us remove z. So, by elimination method, since the coefficient of z is the same for equation 1 and 2, therefore, we can write equation 1 as negative x plus 2y minus z equals to negative 4, and equation 2 as negative 2x plus 4y minus z equals to 6. And we need to choose the correct operation so that we can eliminate z. So in this case, we will use minus because negative z minus with negative z will give us 0z. Next, negative x minus with negative 2x will give us x, and 2y minus 4y will give us negative 2y, and negative 4 minus 6 will end up as negative 10. Therefore, we have x minus 2y equals to negative 10 as our equation number 4. Next, we will reduce equation 2 and equation 3 to form equation number 5. Please take note that if the previous pair we remove z, then in this pair we will also need to remove z. Remove the same variable for both pairs of equations. So, in order for us to remove z, we need to multiply equation 2 by 3 for both left-hand side and also right-hand side. Therefore, equation number 2 will be negative 6x plus 12y minus 3z equals to 18, and equation number 3 will remain the same as 2x plus 2y plus 3z equals to 1. Then, we will use plus as negative 3z plus 3z will give us 0z. Negative 6x plus 2x will give us negative 4x. 12y plus 2y will end up as 14y, and 18 plus 1 will be 19. Therefore, we have negative 4x plus 14y equals to 19 as equation number 5. Now, we already have equation number 4 and equation number 5. As we can see, we only left with two variables, which is x and y. You can choose to remove either x or y. In this case, let us try to remove y. In order for us to remove y, we need to multiply equation number 4 by 7 for both right-hand side and also left-hand side, so that we will have the coefficient of y as 14 for both equations. Therefore, equation number 4 will be 7x minus 14y equals to negative 70, and equation number 5 will remain the same as negative 4x plus 14y equals to 19. Then, when we add up these two equations, we will have 3x plus 0y equals to negative 51, which eventually will give us x as negative 70. Therefore, we already found the first answer, which is x equals to negative 17. Now, we move backwards to find the value of y. We can substitute the value of x that we obtained in either equation 4 or equation 5. Let us use equation number 4. We have x minus 2y equals to negative 10. We replace x by negative 17. And we have negative 2y equals to 7. And we have y equals to negative 7 over 2. And lastly, we find the value of z by replacing the value of x and y that we have obtained in either equation 1, 2 or equation 3. Let us use equation 1. We have negative x plus 2y minus z equals to negative 4. We replace x with negative 17. We replace y with negative 7 over 2. And we will simplify the equation to get 17 minus 7 minus z equals to negative 4. This will give us 10 minus z equals to negative 4. And negative z equals to negative 14. And lastly, z is equals to 14. So we have completed our table and already found all the values of x, y, and z. Please replay the video and try to do on your own to ensure that you get the steps. So, we have reached the end of our video. Please have a try at these few questions and do not hesitate to contact your lecturer if you face any problem. Thank you and see you in the next video.